Hey, welcome back to EdTech. And how is your React journey so far? Okay, as promised, I'm here to make you fall in love with React. So in our last lesson, we did all about stateful function. In this lesson, it's all about stateless function. So as you can see here, stateless function is assigned to a constant demo component, and it returns a div with a class name. In this case, it is null, so it's self-closing. But if you have components or elements inside it, it cannot be self-closing. You have to have an open and close div. Okay, so this is a JSX components. As you can see, a typical example, and we already done what is JSX components in our previous chapters. So here the code editor has given you a task. It's already given you my component function, and you have to return a JSX with open and close div, and then you have to return a string. That's the task for you. So constant my component is here assigned to a function. So you have to change the code below. So you need to return something. What do you need to return? You need to return a div, and the div has to have a string of text in between so that you can read it in your UI, in your screen. So let's start without wasting much time. And for all those who've not yet started their React journey seriously, do remember to smash the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you enjoy your React journey to the fullest without missing out on any React lessons. Okay, so here you go. You have a div here open, then you have a closed div here. Let's see how it goes. Do take your pencil and pen and a notebook, or you take directly your freeCodeCamp editor and start doing it directly. You can even do it in your other cloud editors like CodePen, JSX, etc. It's up to you where you want to do. As long as you practice, it's okay, and you see the result. But if you're doing it in other code editors, do remember to add React in your settings and JSX Babel in your settings. I'll be showing you that later. Okay. So here you go, div, open, close, and then in between that, any string of text. So I decided to put the name of the chapter here, which is creating a stateless function in React. The lesson is about that, so I decided to put it here. You can put anything else, and do remember to code along. And do remember to fall in love. Don't get exerted. That's why I'm teaching you in bits the concepts. These concepts are very valuable in your React journey, so don't take it lightly. Yeah, so create a stateless function in React. There you go. All you need to smash the run button. And there you're done. You've passed the challenge. There. You've passed the challenge. Okay. Completed. You're a wizard, Harry. Okay, so you can even do this. You can repeat the same string of text or a different string of text with some element like a P element or H2 element, H1 element, anything like that, just to test it out. Either ways it goes. So that's the beauty of creating React components and the JSX. Okay. So here you go, H2, close and open, and then continue with the same string, and then test it out. Okay, by mistake, there's a typo. Instead of H2, I wrote a PH2, not PhD, haha. So let's correct that. No need to worry. The debugging screen will show you where you went wrong. So just remove. All you need to do is to remove the P from the H2. And there you go, you're done. Passed. Again, you're a wizard. And there you go. React is so easy. It's so easy to fall in love with React. Yeah. And see you in the next lesson, which is creating a React component. Stay tuned.